Hello friends, welcome to class 5th EVS. This is second lesson of our story. Now, in previous session, we got idea that Bolu is inquiring about the birds and some animals. After inquiring, last session, we have completed that some birds that fly which is living around us. Now, suddenly Bolu goes to Hathi Dada and Matt, and elephant is asking, Bolu, what happened? Then Bolu is asking, fish lives in water, squirrel lives on land, tortoise lives on land as well as in water. Wonderful is this. Dear children, we have to note down that some can live on both, that I already explained in my first lesson, and some can live on land only while some can live in the water only. What is so strange in this? Everyone has a habit according to their adoption. Hathi Dada, elephant said this. So elephant is asking, one which lives on land is a terrestrial, lives in water, is an aquatic, flies in a sky, is an avian, and lives on land and as well as water, is identified as an amphibian. I want to stress and repeat this point. One which lives on land is a terrestrial. The one which lives in water is an aquatic. One which flies in the sky is an avian. Lives on land as well as on water is amphibian. These are the scientific characteristics of the animals. Bolu is asking, if it is like this way, then it is good. I got good idea. Then we classified in this table as a terrestrial, aquatic, avian and amphibian. Then we can give different colors to terrestrial, aquatic, avian and amphibian. Yellow, green, blue and red color is allotted. You can drop your colors in a homework session very easily. Very easy work it is. Then Bolu is asking that elephant Dada, now I have understood this very well. Then elephant is also saying that they have some diversities. They have some variation. It can be seen in animals and plant also. Then Bolu is again asking question, how much variation is seen in the appearance, habit and in all. Then elephant is asking, not only with respect to the appearance, that means it is not in a look or appearance, but in habit also. It is importance that there will be some diversity among us. Diversities are changing. That means we are different from one animal to the other one. Then we have to discuss name of the things useful in our daily life, from whom are these things obtained, whether it is from plants or whether it is from animal. The classification is like this way: chapati, bread, fruit, wooden table, wool, etc. we are getting from the either from plant or from other different points of animals. Some people are using the animal as a food. Some are purely vegetarian also. Now, next session we will discuss about importance of plants and animals. Till then, I remain. Please read the lesson well, then and then you can understand it. Thank you very much. Welcome friends to class 4 Riya's Journey. This is our second edition lecture. Riya is already started a journey and now she is in the train. As in the first lecture you got idea. Now ticket checker is in the coach and the ticket checker is asking some details from where you are coming and from where you are going. That was done by the ticket checker, and usually he is checking the data also. After 1 hour, train stopped at the one station, and so the window Samokhari junction was written. So Ria is asking to father what is the mean of the junction. Then father explained to her that the station at which two or more railway tracks are separating is called junction. From this station, which railway tracks are separating, on the track on which our train is running is way to Ahmedabad, other is going to the Palanpur. That is a very common point. Train departed after 2-3 months and two tracks were separated from one way to the other. Then she looked outside. It was the scene of a white run. You can see in the picture, it is showing the white run of small desert of Kutch, and agarias are working. Friends, agarias means salt workers, salt panners. This community is making the farming of salt which we are eating. That word is called agarias. Agaria is a typically Gujarati word. The train was moving fast, and then afterwards it is passing from Surajbari bridge. It was a bridge where the distance between Ahmedabad and Kutch was less because of the bridge. Earlier trains were going from the Palanpur. Then he asked the father that we have seen two separate railway tracks, one track and another track. Before that, there was only a one track and the single route train was going. After some time, mother told them to get some fresh to use the toilet facility, and she is going for the sleeping. Now friends, there is two questions for us. You have to write in your own words. If you have traveled in a train, from where to where you have traveled, and with whom and at which place, and which facilities you are getting, that also you have to write. Ria tried to sleep, but she was not able to sleep. So there was another family near the seat. So she was also not feeling sleepy. She and one more girl of the neighboring seats, Fiona, they both talked about some storybooks and they were started reading. When she suddenly woke up, that light was coming from the window and she looked out. She peeped out the window. It seems a big train passing from one big bridge, and it was a big city, and it is looking very beautiful. It was a beautiful scene of a Gandhi Dham when train was passing under the bridge. Train reached at the station and father woke up, and the atmosphere filled up with the noise, and different kind of words were started coming. Garam garam chai, garma garam bhajia, puri, shaak, cold water bottle, bananas, vada pav, chiku, apple. That was the hawkers shouting because train has stopped at one place. Friends, in next session we will continue our further points. Till then, thank you.